Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to delete a text box in Google Slides, and I'll walk you through a few extra tips so you really understand how it works. It's all super easy, so yeah, let's get started. So first, open up your Google Slides presentation. You can pick any project, maybe something you're editing for school or a work presentation. Just click the file and give it a second to load. Once the presentation opens, look at the left side. You'll see all your slide thumbnails there. Just click the slide that has the text box you want to remove, and the slide will appear in the main preview area. Okay, now hover your mouse over the text box. When you click it, you'll see a thin blue outline appear around it. That little border tells you the box is selected. If you don't see it, that means you clicked something else. So just try again. And now for the main part, deleting it. You can simply press the delete key on your keyboard, or if you like the slower way, right-click and choose delete or cut. The box disappears instantly, and nothing else on the slide changes. Sometimes the box looks like a text box, but it's actually a layout placeholder. If that happens, deleting won't work. So all you have to do is change the layout. Go to the layout menu at the top and switch to blank, or another layout without placeholders. And yeah, if you remove something by accident, don't panic. Just press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac. Google Slides instantly brings back your deleted text box. You can even undo multiple steps if you need to. Before you finish, it's a good idea to double-check your slide for extra boxes, spacing issues, or leftover formatting. Sometimes old text boxes hide behind other elements. You can drag things around slightly just to make sure everything is clean. And that's it. That's how you delete a text box in Google Slides, along with a few little tips to make editing smoother. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out the next tutorial.